Hello friends, I am going to show you this Asrock b450m Steel Legend motherboard. This motherboard is Ryzen 3000 series ready, so you don't have to update the BIOS. And this motherboard also come with RGB polychrome sync, which is used to change the lighting. I will also show you in the last part of the video how the LED sync works, and you can read the specification by pausing the video. So let's open the motherboard and see what we get. So the motherboard was already opened in the shop to test the motherboard and check the processor and RAM. You can see the back part of the motherboard, and this motherboard doesn't come with integrated IO shield. You can check there are 6 audio ports, two USB 2.0 and 4 USB 3.0, and there is also USB 3.1, which is the light blue color, and a USB type C. My friend is opening the stock cooler as he want to put the AIO Corsair H100X, and you can see the GPU slot. It is fully covered with steel, so it can take the load of the heavy graphics card. And this motherboard has inbuilt RGB light in the chipset part and in the IO shield. Now you can take a closer look of the motherboard, how it looks. So let's check out.
I live my life on the run. I say I'm not giving up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. In a similar way, I feel I'm losing my conscience, traveling for days without my knowledge of privacy.